Hello guys, welcome back to Java Python Interview Hub. QA concept in under 1 minute. So our today's question is, what is a test plan? So short answer will be, a test plan is a document that outlines the scope, approach, resources and schedule for testing activities. So the explanation would be what? It includes what to test, how to test, test objectives, tools, timelines, and team roles. Acts as a roadmap for testing the application, helps avoid confusions, and keeps testing aligned with business goals, often reviewed and approved by the stakeholders. So if you like the content, please subscribe to our YouTube channel Java Python Interview Hub. Thank you very much guys.